Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to continue in grammar. The page is the page number 76. Page number 76. Okay, question words. I hope that you already watched the video. Okay, we use the words when, who, what, why, and where to ask specific questions. We have here three columns. Okay, I have in the first column question word. Okay, and in the second column ask about, and the third column some examples. We are going to start with who. Who? Ask about one or more people. For example, who is that boy? Who are they? People. What? Objects or actions? What do you have in your hand? What are you doing? Actions. Where? Places. Where did you find that pencil? Where? Places. When? Time. When did she call? Time. Why? Reasons. Why is the radio on? If you see, each question have a question mark at the end and capital letter at the beginning. Okay, ready to put in practice what you have learned now? Okay, read the answers to the questions below, then write when, who, what, why, or where to start the question with the correct question word. Number 1. Question. Why is she crying? Answer. She is crying because she fell down. Okay. Number 2. Question. Where is your backpack? Answer. My backpack is in my room. Okay. Number 3. Question. What? What is she doing? Answer. She is doing her homework. Number 4. Who is in the kitchen? Answer. Nick is in the kitchen. Number 5. Question. When is your birthday? Answer. My birthday is on February 27th. Okay. If you have any question, let me know by email or by platform. Remember, work on you for you. Have a nice day. Bye. Goodbye.